Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, friends, whatever time of the day that you're watching this. I hope you're having a wonderful, excellent Thursday morning already, or Thursday day. I don't know what time of the day you're watching this, but I hope everybody's having an awesome day already, okay? So it is time to get started on our calendar. Who remembers what month that this is? It starts with a vowel. We have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a new song. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. Sometimes Y is a vowel too, but we're not going to worry about that right now. A, E, I, O, U. And I know that sometimes you'll see my owls up there. I'll show you guys my owls. Oh, I'll just give them to you now. Okay, I'll show you my owls up here. And they have the vowels on them. Okay, so you can see right there. Right there. The red one has A, orange is E, green is I, blue is O, and purple is U. And yellow doesn't have anything on it, does it? I'll tell you a little story real quick. It's going to be a fast story. You would think I would have gotten Mickey Mouse A-E-I-O-U vowels, but I didn't. Mrs. Hensley grew up and her mommy used to collect owls all the time. There were owls everywhere in our house, absolutely everywhere in our house. Okay? Owls. I did not like owls. Nobody in my house except my mom liked owls. We got sick and tired of seeing owls everywhere in our house. Well, my mom passed away in January of 2019, so she's up in heaven now. She had tons of owls. And I used to not like owls, like I said. But now when I see an owl, guess what? It reminds me of my mommy, and it gives me good memories. That's my good thing today. Seeing owls gives me memories of my mommy, and that makes my heart so happy. Okay, so I saw those owl vowels and had to buy them because, of course, owls remind me of my mommy. So when I'm in my classroom, it's the only owls I have. So when I look up there and see the owls, I think of my mommy and know that she's here with me. Not really, but I like to think she's here with me. She is here with me in spirit. She's not here with me in person, though. Okay, so that's my story about owls. I'm sorry I got off track. You'll find that Mrs. Hensley will tell you all kinds of stories when we're in the classroom because I like telling stories and I like hearing your stories as well. Okay, so that's my something good. Owls remind Mrs. Hensley of her mommy. Okay, and I used to not like owls, but I love them now. I have owls in my house, not all over the place like my mommy did, but I have owls in my house now because they remind me of my mommy. Okay? Okay, friends, we're going to get with our calendar. And the reason we got off the subject is because Mrs. Hensley was talking about vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And one of those vowels, O, begins our month name this month. Okay, so O. October starts with O, doesn't it? Starts with an uppercase O because it's the name of a month. So October is our month. Little bit of glare there. Okay, so it is October. Yesterday was the 7th. So what's it going to be today? What comes after 7? 8. 8. Okay, so it's October the 8th, 2020. What day of the week is today? I said it at the beginning of our video. I said I hope you've had a wonderful, I don't know what I said, and it's a no, it starts with 2 naughty letters. What would that be? Thursday. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay, what comes after Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday! Oh my gosh! Oh, Friday, yay! Friday's tomorrow. Okay, I'm done. Tomorrow is Friday. You're right, tomorrow is Friday. Friday. Okay, and I will put that there. Tomorrow will be Friday. What comes before Thursday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What came before Thursday? Let's count again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What? Wednesday. Good job. Wednesday. So yesterday was Wednesday. So let's read these. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay? Okay. So we need to come over here. Over this way. And there's that glare again. Okay. So we're adding a straw and a tally for the numbers of days that we've been in school. So there's our straw, and there's our tally. We go diagonal this time, okay, because it's 5. So let's see how many days we've been in school. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, I bet there's 10 in here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10, so we have to put a rubber band around it and put it in the tens place. There should be 30. Let's count. 10, 20, 30. We have been in school 30 days. Let's make sure our tally marks are correct. We should have 30 tally marks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And you write a 30, 3, 0. 30. Okay? 3, 0. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to go over here. And we're going to write the date. Write the date. Okay, so October is the 10th month. I'm just going to give it to you today. So, nope, that's not going to work, Mrs. Hensley. Throw that in the trash. Let's do this one. Okay. So, here we go. 10 dash. Today is October the 8th, 2020. Now I'm going to write October as an abbreviation. 2 finger spaces, 8, 2020. October. I'm going to write it all the way out. And Mrs. Simply messed up on her 8, so she needs to erase and try again. When you make a mistake, it's okay to make a mistake. If you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything, but you need to try to fix your mistake if you can, okay? Okay, so today is 10-8-20, or the abbreviation for October 8th, 2020, October 8th, 2020, okay? What is this flag up here? Look at it closely. It is the United States of America flag, or the American flag, and it has 50 stars for 50 states and 13 stripes for 13 colonies. And what is this right here? This is the Statue of Liberty, and it is located in the in New York. Okay, it's located in the New York Harbor. Okay, let's see. Let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, what are we going to do today, Mrs. Hensley? We have a beginning sounds activity to do. We have a letter sound chart again today because we did the cards yesterday. We're writing the letters G, uppercase and lowercase. We are writing in our October journal again today. We have a math activity on Seesaw. We are reviewing our vocabulary words, and we're reading a book called Your 5 Senses, and then you will do a 5 senses activity on Seesaw. Okay, so that is it for today. I want to know, I told you my good thing today. Today, if you have a good thing, you can tell me. If you can't think of any good thing to tell me, give Mrs. Hensley a pink heart. Give me a pink heart. I'm wearing pink today. Oh, did you notice Mrs. Hensley has Mickey Mouse's hands all over me? And I've got Mickey Mouse earrings on. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Okay, so I want a pink heart. Okay, give me a pink heart. And if you want to tell me something good today, you can. If you don't have anything good, that's fine. I told you my good today was that owls remind me of my mommy. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends. Pink heart.